Some mobile phones like Mi Note 5 Pro use 2 SIM or 1 SIM and 1 memory card. How can you use both SIM and 1 memory card at a time in this mobile? First I am removing plastic coating of one of my SIM. Watch this video and do it carefully, otherwise it may be damage your SIM. Make a mark on SIM for identifying SIM position. Place SIM and memory card on tray and understand SIM fixing position on memory card. Just mark SIM fixing position on memory card for identification. We need little glue. Stick the SIM on memory card. Next I am going to stick on the SIM on memory card. Carefully do it in this step. Any difference in SIM position, then SIM is not working. We can see my both SIMs are working. Next I am showing my memory card storage. So many people are told it is not working. No, it's working 100%. Anybody doing this carefully mark SIM position and fixing it right place. Otherwise, it not working. Thank you guys for watching this video.